Hello everyone, welcome to our group presentation, Hotel Booking Service System. Here is a list of our members. My name is Ting, by the way. Before we begin, let's take a look at the table of contents where we cover format ideas, introduction, specification, system design, implementation, and end with a conclusion. Now, without further ado, we shall begin. As we all know, traveling today has becoming more common and easier than ever thanks to the development of internet. Hotels and resorts are built more to accommodate increasing number of tourists. However, there's a difficulty in keeping track of the customer data. We can't manually store information, but we need a system for booking and reserving to keep business flowing smoothly. Therefore, our purpose today is to present a website and its business procedure to enable easy online booking and efficient information storing. Let's move on to the next part.
We move to the system specifications. We analyze the functional requirements and related business processes. Now we come to the business requirements, one of which is online payment processing. Credit cards and e-wallets are gaining popularity in today's world due to their ease and benefits, particularly for travelers. As a result, our reservation system ensures that consumers do not have to deal with this issue by offering a variety of payment options. Furthermore, the time users spend on the payment procedure is taken into account, which is the faster the process, the better. Now we move to the automated customer communications. Because clients may reside in different time zones and make bookings at any time, email is one of the most efficient ways to communicate with them. As a result, an automated system that sends consumers email to confirm their booking and reservation is required. Customer information must also be kept up to date. Customers should be reminded of their room service, check-in and check-out times, as well as the terms and conditions of the hotel. In addition, for the convenience of customers, the email includes contact information for the system manager and hotel managers. And now we move to the functional requirement. We aim to create a minimal and easy to use website that everyone can utilize. The system must validate all genuine reservations to eliminate errors and scams. Clients must be able to manage the booking such as upgrade, cancel, and add service via the website. The table here summarizes all of the functional requirements for our website. The table displays the functional requirement IDs as well as the description for better check. Now we move to the general use case diagram. The procedure is influenced by four factors: new guests, registered guests, and management. To begin with, new visitors who do not have an account can just look for hotel and function as spectator. Visitors who are new to the website and want to make a reservation must first register. We also have a manager on our website who is responsible for managing your account. The hooking use case diagram depicts all of the procedure and individual involved in using our booking website. And now we analyze the other requirements. First is the interface requirement. The website user is divided into two sections, the home area and the sign-in and login part. The elements should be included on the user interface screen, including login, reservation, hotel payment, user administration intel, and administrator rooms. There is also an About Us area, which is utilized to connect to the staff with potential customer. Next is the data conversion requirement. The process of converting data from one form to another is known as data conversion. Conversion of data can be basic or sophisticated. Information can be readily destroyed during the data translation process, and at last it is difficult or impossible to recover. Its purpose is to assess and comprehend how data will be influenced by converting from one data format to another. Conversion can be simplest or require the use of a particular conversion tool. Finally, we move to the system requirements, which are suitability, reliability, learnability, maintainability, and finally, the performance.
Hello class, I'm Đức. Now I show you about the third part of our present. is about the system design. First is a graphical user interface flow. And first, when you accessing to our website, you will see the function login or sign up. If you don't have an account, you can set up account free by email and phone number. And next, you will create the password. And if you have an if you already have an account and sign up completely, you can log in inside the website. Next, you can search a destination, and our group can give you the can give you some hotel automatically. And if you click on the name of hotel, you will get more information. If you have a decision, you can choose a check-in day and check-in out day, and the number of guests and number of the room. And next, you can confirm the information and make a payment. Now we move to our business process. This website acts as a useful link to connect hotel with consumer. Is uh, extremely beneficial for hotel running business and convenient live customer booking process. This is how the process is organized to maximize the management of hotel and comfortable experience of guests. In our business process, the difference between with other business process is we will give the customer the additional service is keep the deal within 3 days if they have a change in their plans. And this graph will show you about the business process, and our business process get get money from the percentage of the deal get from the customer.
Hello everybody, my name is Lewang Hoi and I'm the representative of our group, and today I'm going to explain to you about a part 4 of our project. It's called implementation. Well, we're going to make a simulation as we are the hotel manager of a hotel branch, and we're going to make a list of our customers who have access in our system. And also we're gonna also introduce to you a website for the guests that is too far away and they can book the room from the computer. And first off, what we can see here is the data of the customer, and we have that what we have seen is that the customer data, the company data, the ID, the hotel, and the room. This way we can keep an eye out which the customer want. And next, what you see here is the website demo. This is not a website we create, but a website that I found on the internet called Agoda. And to get started, the first thing we do is access in the website main page, and you need to register for account. If you have an account, yes, you need to put in your name, your email, and also a password to make sure that no one can access your account. And after do that, you finally have an account and you can book your room. Depend on the room that you book, there is many type room. and after you book one, you can finally pay money through your paycheck.
Okay, so now we're at the end of our presentation. But first, let's sum up a few key ideas. So first of all, we propose the problem with hotel reservations, and then we give requirements for the system as well as its design. And finally, we input data with a website demo. So for us, this is the best output we can come up with, and it should be suitable for a real-life situation. Hopefully, the MIS concept in hotel booking is more understandable and clearer after this presentation. Once again, thank you for listening. Feel free to ask us any question. Here is the references.